looks like we are just about in a couple degrees away from the Falcon 9 and the Dragon capsule. But right now, T-minus 3 minutes, 8 seconds. Everything continues to be go on Dragon and Falcon 9.
Currently Dragon is in terminal count. Dragon is in terminal count. We are standing by to hear that stage 1 liquid oxygen loading is complete. Stage 2 lock load is complete. And there we have it. Stage 2 should finish shortly after, at about 2 minutes prior to liftoff. allow the rates in motion. And there's that call for Shannon. That's Shannon, Ireland, an abort zone, but it looks like we continue smoothly to orbit today.
And we've got shutdown of the second stage engine on time.
Rusty and MIT said BRB.
Nominal orbit insertion.
That's right, John. Nominal orbit insertion, as we mentioned, stage 2. Oh, looks like some action on stage 1. And I believe we had a touchdown on the drone ship.
We've got stage 1 and touchdown on the drone ship in the Atlantic Ocean. But now the more important news, second stage is in orbit, right where we want, right on time, and we're getting ready for our next major activity, which will be Dragon spacecraft separation. Currently on the second stage, we are essentially venting pressure, purging the engine out, making sure everything is quiet in preparation.
Take a look. That's inside Crew Dragon right now. Our Crew-1 crew now coasting in low Earth orbit, still attached to that second stage. In just a couple of minutes, we should see that second stage separate, and Crew Dragon will be flying free.
Leah, the mission timer shows 90 seconds to Dragon separation.
Currently, Dragon is flying at 27,000 kilometers an hour. Plus 11 minutes since liftoff today. Waiting on that second stage separation, but as you can see, our astronauts from left to right, Shannon Walker, Victor Glover, Mike Hopkins, and Soichi Noguchi, now on their way to the International Space Station. First trip to space for Victor Glover. That call out acquisition of signal in Newfoundland. That means the Newfoundland ground station is now receiving telemetry from Dragon. This view inside Mission Control Hawthorne. Teams continuing to monitor the vehicle, now traveling at almost 27,000 kilometers an hour.
Said Hope Route 498 RS lost.
Dragon separation.
Second stage departing, Crew Dragon leaving it behind. Now 12 minutes, 25 seconds into today's flight. Our next thing we'll be looking for is nose cone deploy. Our hooks will start to open on the nose cone and reveal those forward thrusters underneath.
Ryan Butterly said, I know, it sucks.
Minutes into today's mission, view on the right-hand side of your screen coming from Crew Dragon. We had that short look at the second stage. As it departed, that second stage will burn up upon re-entry into
Said that
Earth's
freaking
atmosphere.
SUC.
SpaceX, we see nominal International Service Section Draco checkout.
Lion said hi Christmas tree Santa Claus Teresa Santa Claus you like the satin.
Dragon, we copy all, we do the same.
Information from teams on the ground and the crew. You can see them monitoring those 3 display panels, monitoring their journey to the International Space Station and where they are in the world right now, or over the world, I should say.
Well, we're in 14 minutes.
Lion said you like the
seconds.
Who-Dad.
It was a great liftoff.
Lion said Christmas tree Santa Claus Teresa Santa Claus.
In the lower orbit, we saw dragons separate. We got the Draco checkouts were good. And right now we're hearing the nose cone hooks are opening up. Everything is happening right per the procedure. And we've got Crew-1 successfully on orbit. So with that, let's head over to our counterparts, the Kennedy Space Center. Marie, how was that launch for you all there on the ground?
Oh my gosh, John, it just took our breath away. I mean, we could just turn right around in our seats and watch. We got up away from the desk to get a better look, and then we actually could see the booster coming back down.
Yeah, that was outstanding. Outstanding. And I don't even know what to say. High five. We're like high five through the shield
Yeah,
there.
high five. My husband texted me a picture of my daughter watching liftoff. It was just, I'm emotional. Seeing that, and we went on the first attempt. How often does that happen?
It should.
Space flight.
It should. Very happy. It has been a long day, but just to be able to stand there and actually feel the rocket pounding the air around you was just incredible. And then looking at the light too long, I couldn't see the MVAC ignition, so I still have spots in my eyes. And then the views inside the capsule too, with the 4 of them, looking kind of mellow, but you can see Victor's kind of letting his arms do a little bit of the floaty thing. I bet he cannot wait to get out of his seat.
Well, he's going to get a chance here shortly. So he's officially on his way on his first space flight.
So
Incredible.
Victor, Mike, Shannon, and Soichi are now on course to arrive at the International Space Station just tomorrow, Monday, November 16th, around 11 p.m. Eastern Time. And we're going to stay live on air for continuous live coverage along their entire ride to station. Though our coverage here at Kennedy Space Center will conclude, we're going to turn it over to the teams in Hawthorne and Houston to take us through the next phases of the Crew-1 mission, all the way through hatch opening and a welcome ceremony for the crew. Now, for those of you watching online via YouTube, take a look at the description below the video. There you'll find the new link for our Crew-1 rendezvous phase, and we'll be continuing live coverage at that new location shortly. But if you're watching on NASA TV, like my parents, you won't notice a thing, and your coverage will continue.
That's right. And as you follow along, we also invite you to tune into a post-launch news conference at 9:00 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on NASA TV, where NASA and SpaceX will take questions live. And in addition to NASA TV, of course, you can always follow along on Twitter at @NASA and NASA.gov for continuous mission updates. We thank you all so much for watching. To all of our commentators, Nicole, special thanks to you.
My
for being
pleasure,
here.
ladies. Let's do it again.
Oh, please, yes. Well, we'd love to have you back. Here now are some highlights from the incredible journey that's just begun. Live look inside the suit-up room. Crew Dragon Commander Mike Hopkins was born in Lebanon, Missouri.
Pilot Victor Glover is a native of Pomona, California. And Mission Specialist Shannon Walker is from Houston, Texas. Mission Specialist Soichi Noguchi is from Yokohama, Kanagawa, Japan.
Here they come, walking down the hall.
Aw, like heavy there. Yeah, so cool. They're looking for people. They're looking for the people that have helped them all along the way, too, and want to make eye contact.
Here they come. The Crew-1 astronauts now beginning their journey to the launch pad ahead of this historic mission to the International Space Station.
This departing for the pad on schedule.
This is chase car, so you can be along with the crew every step of the way. It's kind of like the pre-flight, right? The walk around your vehicle before you get in and fly. I love this shot. You know, when this was being designed, it was definitely a forward-thinking design. And you can see on your screen the crew beginning the ingress process already.
They are checking to make sure
Mystic Exploration said that Space launched smiling face with heart-shaped eyes.
They're buckling them in.
Krusty and Whitesnake said that was awesome. Mystic Exploration said I did a prayer for the safety of the brave astronauts to be safe.